Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your chosen protein, like chicken or chickpeas, and 2 cups of mixed vegetables. Don't forget your aromatic spices, such as turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. We'll also need a good quality curry paste, or the individual spices to create our own blend. Now let's build that incredible flavor base. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 inch of grated ginger. Sauté these until they are fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in your curry paste or dry spices, cooking for about 1 minute to release their aromas. This step is crucial for a rich, deep flavor. With our flavor base ready, it's time to add the main components. Introduce your 1 pound of protein and 2 cups of vegetables to the pot, stirring to coat them evenly with the spices. Then, pour in 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and 1 cup of vegetable broth. Bring the curry to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and cook for 20 to 30 minutes, or until your protein is tender and vegetables are cooked through. Finally, let's perfect and serve our delicious curry. Taste your curry and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding salt, pepper, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or basil adds a wonderful aroma and visual appeal. Ladle your warm, aromatic curry over fluffy basmati rice, or serve it alongside warm naan bread. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.